Let me tell you a story about the value of time, a story many people need to hear today. Also, I will be using slow English so that you can improve your English through this story. So let's begin. In a small town lived a school student named Amir. Amir was smart, Amir was funny, Amir was capable. But Amir had one big problem: he was extremely lazy. He always told himself, "I'll do it later. I'll start tomorrow. I'll finish it next week." Assignments piled up, homework piled up, books piled up. But Amir never got started. One day, Amir's teacher announced, "In 2 months, there will be a test that decides your future course. So start preparing now." The class became serious. Everyone began studying, but Amir said, "2 months? That's so much time. I'll relax for now." And the first week passed, and the second, and the third. Amir spent his time watching movies, playing games, and sleeping. He believed there was plenty of time. But what happened next changed everything. One morning, Amir woke up to the sound of thunder. The sky was dark, rain poured down heavily. He checked the calendar. 2 months had passed. The exam was tomorrow. His heart stopped. He fell to the floor trembling. He realized he had done nothing. He opened his books, but nothing made sense. Chapters looked strange. Words looked confusing. Everything felt impossible. He studied all night but learned nothing. The next day, he sat in the exam hall, dizzy from sleeplessness. Questions looked like another language. He wrote random answers, unsure, confused. When he left the hall, he knew he had failed. Not because he was stupid, but because he wasted time. The next week, results were declared. Amir's name was in the fail list. He held the paper, eyes full of tears. That evening, he went to his grandfather, the wisest person he knew. His grandfather listened to everything and said one quiet line: "Time doesn't shout, it whispers. And those who ignore its whisper pay the price." Amir asked, voice trembling, "Is it too late now?" The old man shook his head gently. "No, it's only too late if you waste tomorrow too." Those words struck Amir deeply. He realized something powerful. Effort may be tiring, but regret is painful. Grandfather took him to the backyard and pointed at 2 plants. One was tall and strong, the other was weak and bending. "I planted both on the same day," he explained. "One I watered every day, the other I forgot." Time rewards consistency, not laziness. Amir understood. The weak plant was his failed exam. The strong one was his lost potential. From that day, Amir changed. He created a study plan. He woke up early. He worked, not perfectly, but consistently. Days turned to weeks, weeks turned to months. Slowly, he improved. Slowly, things made sense. The next year, during the same exam, he walked in confidently, and when results came, Amir passed with top marks. He didn't become the smartest student in one day. He didn't magically learn everything. He simply used time wisely. Amir learned something most people learn too late. Time is not slow. You are just not moving. He realized 1 hour matters, 1 day matters, 1 small effort matters, and the earlier you begin, the easier life becomes. Moral of the story: time doesn't wait for anyone. If you respect time, time will reward you. If you waste time, regret will find you. Let's learn 3 common English words from this story. 1. Consistency, meaning doing something regularly. Example: Amir improved because of consistency. 2. Regret, meaning sadness about a bad decision. Example, Amir regretted wasting time. 3. Deadline, meaning the final date when something must be done. Example, Amir ignored the exam deadline.